Back, little Alice. Come here. Oh, she's so cute and big. Oh my goodness. Oh, my little kitten. Look at her little stubby tail. There she goes. She's so cute. Hi, little kitty cat. Oh, you're so pretty. You're such a pretty girl. Oh, she's so cute. Little Alice. Little Alice. Hi. Oh, and you get so long. You want to show us again how long you get? Come here. What's up here? No. She doesn't want to show us how long she gets. You want to show us how long? Oh, you're making bread. Are you making bread? You want to show us how long you get? One more time. Oh, you're going to show us how yawny you get. Look, her fuzzy earmuffs. Up here. Oh, there she is. She's so long. Okay, I love you, little Alice. I miss you, pretty girl. Oh man, she's still doing cute things. Where is Lee? His lights are on. And there's no Lee in there. Little Alice. Oh, there she goes. Oh, there she is. Are you being sneaky? Do you know how to unlock the door? Do you want to unlock the door for me, Alice? I know you do, because I want to love you and you love love. So cute. Oh, I love you, little Alice.